Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We just finished up working on this 22 GX460. It had suspension previously on it, but we wanted to share with you what it had on it for suspension. It's got King's 2.5s with resis and adjusters, non-fin reservoirs, front and rear. It has a set of Gen 5 SCS wheels on it and a 17 by 8.5. And a Nitto. This got a Nitto Ridge Grappler 285/70/17 on it. But this is our first 22 that we've done with our no kickout rock sliders that we put some van footprints on as well, just to make sure that people knew we wore vans down here. But what we have to do, we don't have to do, but what looks best is if we've got the lower piece that goes underneath the door here, where the step comes in on it, and molds in, where it bends right here, it molds in. We pop the step out and then we go back here and we do a nice line on it on both sides to try to give the appearance that it fits up nice and tight to the slider. And then it still kind of looks factory as well. And we put all the factory screws back in it as well. And it fits really clean all the way through, all the way off the ends of it. So we do trim both ends. This is the factory step that was cut. You kind of call it lower door garnishment on this. This truck still does have KDSS on it. We get a lot of guys that say, hey, the KDSS, does it work? Yes, it does. We'll go around the other side, show you the KDSS system on this and how it bolts right up in between it into the factory location. The bolts relocate on the front side of it as well. So you can see we've got the covers here. We've got the cover here for the KDSS system. We've got the cover here, and everything works right around the rock slider the way it was designed to. The factory hardware is back in it as well, so you can see even in the front here on the cover, the way it's designed and notched out there, it fits really well with our rock slider. So, but no modifications needed, bolts right up. There's no cutting, chopping, other additional screws, hardware, and stuff like that. So the other last thing I'm going to share with you, this is our GX460 roof rack we have for these. Super low profile, super tight to the roof of the vehicle here. As far as wind noise, it doesn't have any wind noise, and obviously minimizes on loss of fuel economy on this, but super tight along the roof all the way to the back of the vehicle. Got our bottle openers there. Got to have those bottle openers. So, new 22 GX460. I wanted to share this with you, so hope you enjoy it. And if you got any questions on anything on the wheels, it is a -10 on the offset. It did not need a body mount chop. I know some of the guys are probably going to ask about that, but with the offset the way it was done, it's a perfect offset. And I'm going to have Ethan, that's got the camera, I'm going to have him kind of just look down the side of the vehicle here at the same time, so you can kind of see how much the tire sticks out on it a little bit. Just a little bit outside the wheel well, but it's just super clean. So we think this is probably one of the better offsets we've seen in this setup here on these SCS wheels. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks again. Bye-bye.